Hello guys, hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are well. I'm Shubham, and so today I'm going to tell you a poem which is related to the finance, and there are a lot of good poem on finance subjects and banking. So the poem name is Investment Return, and this poem reflect that when person invest in something in FDRD or any other thing, so they will be get so much desperate to get the return as soon as possible. So people want investment return in a very high amount with a very short span of time. So everyone want a very good return with a high span of short time. So that poem described about that thing, that investment return, getting investment return in a high amount, huge amount in a very short time. So I hope you will like this poem. Let's start the poem. Investment return. You can get from there from here if you return 10% per year. Every year your penny becomes $1 million over time, inevitably. That's just math. And 193 and one half years. One penny to $1 billion. 265 and one half years. We are all in a rush, but our money will take us there. The dumbest low cost index fund will take you there. Now listen up, Bucko. The global macro strategy majority front want to carry you past all those clunkers. Over the dumbbell strips, jump the shoulder, two-wheeling in the breakdown lane, honking down the hood at the one stuck in heavy traffic, held back by catalytic converters, MPH signs, and a lack of imaginations. For 2% management fee and a 20% incentive allocation, the occasional Wells notice, and maybe an insight tip or two, but it's worth it because let's hurry, 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 and get you rich. You would not be caught dead driving a Hyundai. Like Simone and Garfunkel said, slow down, you move too fast. You will get there from here. So I hope you like this poem, and this poem about describe that people are wanting so much huge amount of with a short span of time, and they are very rush about that. They are very hurry on that. Except that there are a lot of good poems and there I'll bring that poem. So stay tuned, and if you like this then please like, subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like my Facebook page.